Pinahanga ni Chog Moral ang PBA legend na si Dondon Hontiveros sa Sinag Liga Asia Championship Game. Naghalimaw mga brody si Moral, ilang beses na pauzen na mga crowd sa mga malulupit na galawan ni Choggy. Tilian din ang mga kababaihan, crossover moves, 3-pointer, dunk at mga pasa. Grabe yung pasa dito ni Moral kay Mundas, talagang bigla ang hiyamang mga crowd na sa napanood nila. Kitang kita mga brody yung level ng laro ng isang batang Gilas player. Itinanghal na MVP si Moral at hindi na nga yata nabigyan ng award dahil maagang pinagkagulan ng Wonder Kid ng Pampanga. Heto nga't panoorin natin mga brody yung buong highlights ng laban. Gawin natin mas exciting ang panonood mo ng sports, lalo na basketball, dahil yan sa 1xBet kung saan pwede ka na mag-enjoy panonood. Tapos pwede ka pang manalo. Mag-register lang at gamitin nyo ang ating lucky promo code na nakalagay sa comment section. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Subukan mo na!
Players, number 20, Alex Irorango. Number 11, John Maningo.
Here inside the Cebu Coliseum. Here's your first right at the heart of downtown Cebu City. Isang magandang gabi po. Live stream hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. The opening tip. Now,
Pa sila mag-relax dito, partner. I know they are full of star players here, pero yung effort na pinapakita netong Phenom nung for his teammates na makakapagpataas ng confidence netong mga teammates niya.
and there goes Guevara. That's Gil Guevara with the first three-pointer. Mundas. That one was knocked away. Pakulba. Scoop shot for two.
Oo, yun yung
On the left elbow. Fires. That's a tough shot. Offensive rebound. And gets the basket to drop for Ren Isbal. Emergency pass. Babalik ang Ryzen Boholano. And gets the roll.
smart play by good find.
Oh, that's an open lane. And that's an easy two. Mamula dito kang... And back comes Phenom Parola Panaon. Bibigay sa kanto. That's an open look from the left corner. That's a three-pointer for John Rel.
And agad eh.
Oh, nagkahiyawan ng mga crowd dito. Moral off the crossover. Off the hot step. And that's a good rejection. Hold on. Di ko talaga marinig yung Tito Coach Air. That's a foul against Phenom Parola. So, two free throws coming up for Kenji Moral. And here's a courtside report from
Region. Handang-handa itong J Project Boomers for this championship game. And as per their head coach, Coach Phil Jimenez, may experience na.
And a quick swipe for Edwin Moldas, racing down the court, coast to coast for the easy finish. That's a 1-1. Chog Moral, what a dish to Guevara. Transition, Kenji Moral, beautiful dish to Guevara for the deuce. Chair, they're gonna lead the way for Team Phenom basketball sa 23 under mamaya, Co-Chair.
Kakaroon ng lapses dito si Chog Moral kasi hindi siya nakaka-connect sa mga big man niya.
Moral looks to make a response. Fires from three. Yes, sir! First three-pointer for Kenji Moral.
Bawi agad.
Crowd favorite. Here it is on that last three-pointer. Rhythm tray for Chog Moral. And back comes the Boomers. Mundas trying to challenge Chino using the left hand and the layup. That's a three-point shot from Gatoria. Rebound track down. Moral. Oh, what a pass! And the finish! Early highlights from Kenji Chog Moral. And here are your highlights. Look at that pass from Chog Moral to Edbil Mondas for the transition finish.
Here's led by this kid. Ito si Chog Moral again. That's Park.
Oh, that's a rejection! Mamula kang early fireworks here in this opening quarter of the finals.
Good fake.
And the
Wow.
quick drive from Gatoria using that shot fake. Rola Panaon looks to play toe-to-toe against J Project Boomers.
Good find.
Maningo, yes,
Nice.
that's a three. There's the third opportunity for Phenom Parola, left-handed. And great hustle plays na pinakita ng Phenom Parola, and that's a bucket. So we're down to a minute and 15 remaining. Here comes Phenom Parola on the fast break. That's Gatoria with back-to-back buckets coming off the timeout.
Oo, Nico Mongkal, hindi nagpapatalo dito. Nakikipagsab si Chog Moral na makagawa ng mga fancy plays na yun talaga.
Moral, tiptoeing the baseline.
Good
Well,
find.
Oh, the find! Mid-piece galing yung layup, pero
Yung maglalaro, sobrang daming tao talaga.
ang bilis ng pababa ng bola as Gatoria with another bucket. Excellent start here in the from the guys in white. Chog Moral pushing hands and draws a foul. Gilas Pilipinas Youth doon po sa Siaba tournament sa Thailand nung nakaraan.
Maging mapabilang dun sa sistema. Hindi mamawag. Tinatry agad makaagaw dun. Good effort.
Back comes Mamawag! And J Project back on top by 2.
Galing championship lang ba?
Last shot time. They gotta hurry down to 2 seconds. Domingo at the buzzer. Yeah!
Ganda dun. 3-point line. Transition 3. Perfect for Domingo.
Perfect touch with that buzzer beating triple. Wala kang Domingo as we wrap up this first quarter of the 19 under final. Report sa report from Parola Panaon as they're down by 5 to start the second. Oh, look at that quickness. And we go the other way into the hands of Gatoria. Drops it off to Mongcal.
Good find.
Great court vision from Gatoria. Lots of the deflections and a quick steal. 2-on-1 from Gatoria. Nice pass. And the bucket drops for Nejad Pino.
Galing ng Fino. Sa transition offense sila.
That's 2 assists already for Gatoria here in the second quarter.
Corner.
Ranieses. Nice flip shot from
Ayan De Oro. Before,
That's right.
partner, sobrang galing talaga ng player.
good box out. That's Gatoria with an excellent first half. Switching hands. What a move from Gatoria.
Troy Gatoria.
Pelescas on the left corner. Ranieses. Nice cross-court pass. Moral feed set. 3 is down. Here it is on that last replay. Nice ball movement leading to that 3-point shot from Kenji Chog.
Attack before when I was playing, pero tignan muna natin.
Here's Manliquez leaking out for the easy 2.
Yan nga, nag-usapan natin kanina partner, no?
Good help defense on the side of Pino Parola. So let's listen in to a courtside report from Lindsay Denison.
Thank you so much kay Coach Phil. Pag-uusap pa rin talaga yung problema nila. And dahil nga may mga experience sa itong mga players, nagkaka-tendency sila to go
Chog Moral on the fast break. Wants to lead away. Step back 3 of the crossover. Tapos nga lang, would have given the lead for the J Project Boomers. And we go the other way. Oh, that's a great challenge from Gigo. That's a 2-on-3. And back comes Chog Moral. What a pass! Ranieses with the finish.
Sabi ko sa'yo partner, pag open transition talaga dapat binibigay kay Chog Moral yung
30 seconds remaining. Let's see if they want to go for a 2-for-1 opportunity. Moral taking his time, switching to the left. And he gets it to go.
sobrang relaxed lang, no? Right, tira dito.
There it is on this last replay. Look at that move from Chog Moral on this move of the game from Winzen Cafe. Down to 5 seconds. Domingo struggling, puts it up, blocked by Pino with 2.6, 44 to 41.
Percentage ng Phenom, 68%. 48 naman para sa J.
With 8 points.
Yeah, actually, yan yung pag-uusapan natin dito.
Uniforms on demand, Converge FiberX at ng Winzen Cafe. Oh, nice spin, and the bucket goes.
Partner, pareho lang na malapit yung rebounds nila, no? Pero dito sa Phenom Parola, 7 yung offensive rebounds nila.
Nice court spacing on the side of the Boomers. Bok Boholano hits the 3.
Pakadrive dito.
And a good start for the Boomers in the third. That's a nice boom shot in traffic.
Ang very aggressive dun sa pag-atake.
Mongcal now has 8 points. Moral for the answer. The tip is good. Mula kang Iliescas. And here comes the fast break. Domingo, no look dish to Moral for 2. What a showcase tonight for Chog. This beautiful fast break. Domingo, nice ball fake, great hesitation, and that nice dish to Chog Moral. Here comes Chog Moral. Woo! Nako. A little bit too much sauce there, but a quick swipe. That's Domingo all alone for the easy finish. So nakabawi naman si Domingo off the missed layup attempt kang Mongcal. Maningo on the open court, splitting 2 defenders, drops it in. And there it is on that last replay. Beautiful move from Maningo on the open court, able to absorb the contact, took the bump.
Nels,
Pero hindi rin mapapuli yung mga talents from overseas.
Oo.
During the showcase here as that three-pointer. Andre Iliescas, he has that touch from beyond the arc as well. Maningo,
Grabe, nag-glide sa ere.
up for defenders. And a good stop, pero Moral takes it right back. He scoops.
And that's his famous move.
That's his another steal. Back comes Moral.
Smart.
Spots up for three.
So
Yes, sir!
So smart.
And the crowd has come alive. Dito sa
Dederia Ang talino niya. Na-recognize niya agad yun. Going for the three. Lagi natatanggal yung sapatos niya, no?
Oh. Gives it up. Moral inside. Guevara. Great fake. Bolano. The putback using the left hand. And he scores.
Galing ni Bola, doon.
The shot clock for Pinong Parola. Maningo. Now has to put it up, and he gets it to drop as the shot clock was winding down. Lee and Justice Lee, and then shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan dyan sa ating YouTube live, sa mag-asawa na si Marvin De La Cruz, Raisa B. De La Cruz from Hill Company. So, shoutout natin sa ating mga live viewers sa ating YouTube channel. An explosive third quarter. Boral, bounce pass, Iliescas for two.
Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Diba yung grab?
Last replay co-chair on this beautiful bounce pass and the finish for Iliescas on display of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng teleporter.
It really is yung mentality nito ni Moral. Sobrang talino na.
Okay, nice answer there. And the bucket drops. Mulaka to bounce back. Heading to this fourth quarter. That's Bonsubre, babalik ang Maningo, and gets the deuce.
Yeah, great effort.
Project Boomers still on top by 8-14. Si Pino, patalingog. Trying to maneuver the defense and a quick steal from Moral. Domingo flies in for two. You can see that. So plenty of time on the shot clock. Nice drop off and Nejad Pino gets the bucket to the fourth quarter dito sa loob ng New Cebu Coliseum. That's Eri Orango. Nice fake and the shot is up and in for
Bounce, 6 assists, at saka isang steal.
Domingo all alone. That's another bucket. Remember, Maningo leading the way with 18. All alone for two, and Moral dunks it down. Make that 25 points.
Paano mo i-stop?
And that's another steal. Moral is all alone for the finish. Nieses with another offensive rebound. Another possession. Nice reverse. Moral trying to tip it home.
Pero ngayon, after that third quarter, ibang-iba na talaga yung storya ngayon.
Oh, nice acrobatic shot. Domingo. Hindi rin magpapuli. Almost a good defensive stop from Moral. Pero
Great
itong
effort. Momentum. At saka yung fans, mahirap yun para sa team na kasama si Chog Moral.
5 on the shot clock. Moral drops it off.
Diba?
That's Eurango with the bucket. Balik ka Moral. Has to dribble back out. Still plenty of time on the shot clock. Oh, what a dish to
Diba?
Eurango for two.
Sabi sa'yo, part
Basketball court.
for sure. See?
And that's another steal. Back comes Domingo. And he dunks it down. The focal point of the offense tonight. Para dito sa J Project Boomers co-chair as Eurango gets the shot away. Throughout the history of Philippine basketball.
Totoo, nakaka-proud talaga makita.
As J Project Boomers have emptied their bench, there's Nelwin Arapo. What a move. Switching hands in mid. As we're down to the final 34 seconds of this contest. So, co-chair, meron ka pang mga...
Ever since the third quarter, yun na talaga yung nakapag-decide ng game na to.
There's a Eurango with the flush.
Hindi rin natin.
And the J Project Boomers are the champions of the 1900 division.
Cellphone sila at sa kung saan pa. Talagang it's a blessing to watch these types of players and these types of talents.
Sobrang nila ako minamahal dito eh. Yun nga, gusto ko magpasalamat sa kanila kung dahil sa kanila hindi namin makuha yung panalo na to.
Jerk Boomers